Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the CAT S22 Flip for T-Mobile. So this is a new flip phone for T-Mobile. It's made by Caterpillar, the people who make tractors and shit like that. So yeah, so if you guys are looking to get a flip phone, the S22 Flip could be worth checking out here. It's available now in black, 16 gigabytes of storage. So this would be a great work phone, you know, a great rugged phone and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's available now. It's currently in stock, as it says right there on the screen there. As this video recording, it is in stock. You'll get 16 gigabytes of storage. So this phone's not meant to be like a powerhouse phone or nothing like that. So this is meant to be your basic phone, but you do get some smartphone features with it. So that's pretty cool, you know. So it's $9.75 a month for 24 months with $0 down. I think the full retail price is like $200 something or something like that. So fairly cheap, you know. So it's not gonna cost that much for a flip phone like this, you know. So there's the front there. There's the phone being closed and open. It does have a camera there on the front of it. I think it has a camera flash on it. That's what it looks like right here. See where my mouse is? I think there's a camera flash right there. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if this is a microphone right here or what, but you do get your little screen right here. The inside of the phone, you guys have your screen there, your all your Caterpillar logo there on the bottom of it, and you have your standard keypad there. You guys got some shortcut to different functions of the phone. Your power button is your N key, so do keep that in mind. And I think the screen is also a touch screen as well. The internal screen is touch screen, I think it is. So that's pretty interesting. So you got your earpiece up here somewhere, and I think you have a camera on the inside as well right here. So that's pretty interesting. There's the phone it being closed. Like I said, you do got a camera flash. And I think there's little holes, a microphone or something, and you got your external screen here. So it's pretty nice. I think your volume keys is on the right side of the phone. Yeah, your volume keys is on the right side of the phone. Like I said, your power button is your N key. The back of the S22 Flip is your back there. The back just come off. You do get a little interesting back design. I like the design of the back there. It looks pretty rugged. It has the Caterpillar logo on the back. The two little things on here. I'm not sure what those are for down here. I'm not. And this thing you do take off, you do have to get something to take the back off. The back does come off. You do get access to your battery and your memory card, SIM card, stuff like that. The back does come off. Very nice looking back. There's the front of it again. Like I said, volume keys on the right side of the phone there. And that's all they give us 4 little pictures of the phone. So if we scroll down here, has a 5 megapixel rear facing camera, which is the outside camera. The front camera is a 2 megapixel that's on the inside of the phone. So it's kind of interesting that you guys get both front and rear camera on here. So you guys do get 2 cameras on this phone, which is pretty weird because usually most flip phones you usually have 1. So that's pretty cool, but the quality is not gonna be that great. So do keep that in mind. You get 12 hours of talk time, 13 days of standby time. The touchscreen itself is 2.8 inches, which is VGA quality, which is touchscreen, like I said before. So you can use the touchscreen to do different things on the phone. The resolution is 640 by 480 pixels, so basically VGA resolution. The external display The outside display is 128 by 128 pixels resolution, and it's basically like your static screen and whatnot. Other features include military spec 810H IP68 water dust resistance, drop tested for up to 6 feet onto steel, vibration, sand, salt, mist, and pressure resistant, waterproof up to 5 feet of water for 35 minutes, non-incentive class division 2 group ADT4. I'm not sure what the hell that is. It has Android 11 Go edition, so that's pretty cool. You do get Android on this. It's Android 11 Go edition, so that's pretty cool. You get a programmable key with push to talk mode, so that's great for construction work and stuff like that. So this will be a great work phone because it has the push to talk feature on there. So this would be a great work phone for like a construction job or whatnot. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 5. I'm guessing that's on the internal display. Large physical buttons, extra loudspeakers, 2-year warranty, which is very nice to have. For the CAT S22 Flip, we strip it back. We went back to what a cell phone should be, a phone. Of course, you do get obviously this would be used for like you're not gonna use like this to play games or nothing like that. You're not gonna play games on this. Well, you probably could, but good luck with that. Additional specs on the CAT S22 Flip is 2000 mAh battery, Type C charging, which is nice. A 3.5 headphone jack, which is very nice to have. Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth 4.2, which isn't too bad. Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 processor, Poly a quad-core chipset there. Android, of course, Android 11 Go edition. 2 GB of RAM. External memory up to 128 GB of external memory, so take advantage of that. The internal memory is 16 gigs. You do get 4G LTE, no 5G on board, so if you're expecting to get 5G on the flip phone, not yet, guys. Alright, not yet. Supported email platforms. You do get Apple Mail and all the different email platforms there. Hearing aids, wireless emergency alert capable, mobile hotspot. Frequency, weight is 7.9 ounces, so a bit hefty, you know, not too bad. The height is, this is when the phone is open. I'm assuming that they're doing with the dimensions here is 4.7 inches height, 2.4 inches width, and 0.9 inches length. So that's a width. So that's your depth. It's 0.9 inches depth. Basically, what that means. So it's 4.7 inches height. This is what the phone being opened. 4.7 inches height, 2.4 inches width, and 0.9 inches length. So it's basically your depth. So yeah. What comes in the box is your CAT S22 Flip phone, US charger. Kind of interesting that they put US charger, which is kind of interesting. Warranty terms and conditions: USB cable, which is USB-C cable, USB Type C to 3.5 converter, T-Mobile SIM card in the box. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a flip phone for like your work or whatever, this would be a great work phone for like if you do like construction and stuff like that. This would be a great work phone for that, because you know it's rugged. It has waterproof, dust proof. It has military spec ratings on here, so this would be a great work phone. This one could take some abuse and it'd be good to go. I like the fact that it has Android on there, which is pretty cool. It has Android 11 Go edition, which is pretty cool. It has Type C charging, has a headphone jack, does have touchscreen on it, so pretty nice. So this would be a great work phone and whatnot. Don't expect to be a powerhouse user with this. This is not what this phone is made for. It's made for like light usage on here. I'm sure that you can play. Yeah, I'm sure that you guys can probably play some games on here. What I said, good luck with that. I don't know how you're gonna play. I don't know how that you're gonna play games on a 2.8-inch screen, but go for it. Try it out. I guess if you guys want to. But this is for like light usage. For like you can check your Facebook and email and stuff like that on here. But for playing games, it's probably not gonna handle that. Probably not, because it's not what this phone's made for. It's made for like light usage and stuff like that. It's basically a work phone. You know what I'm saying? It does have push to talk functionality on here. It does have 4G LTE, which is pretty good. It's Type C and all that, so not bad for a flip phone like this. It's $9.75 a month for 24 months. I think it's like $200 something for retail price. So yeah, T-Mobile got y'all the hook up here. So a very nice looking phone. I do like the back of the phone a lot. I think the back of the phone looks very nice. And has the thing, the back just come off, but you will have to get like a screwdriver to get it off. And this phone is water resistance and all that. So a great work phone. If you guys do construction work and stuff like that, it's great for that. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the only good thing that the S22 Flip is good for, is for like a work phone. It's good for like light usage and stuff. Heavy usage, not so much. So yeah, so check it out, guys. The Caterpillar S22 Flip is now here at T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.